Fully set for Aerox and NMAX mga boss, meron tayo dalawang klase, version 2 and version 3. So, kita ko yung version 2 natin. Ito, may bushing, steel, drive face, 132 mm, 14 degree, back plate, slider, yan, pulley niya, and may washer na rin. Yan, katago, washer. So, version 2 to, mga boss. And ito naman yung version 3 natin. Naka-nano painted. May washer. Nano painted yan, mga boss. And 132 mm, 14 degree rin. Backplate, drive, slider, and hyper pin. Lighted, magaan. Pulley niya, naka-nano painted. Yan. 35 degree. So, ito yung version 3 niya. Aerox. So, available to our shop. Sa mga interesado mga boss, message lang po.